Top 5 Most Powerful China Military Aircraft. The Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon is a fifth-generation stealth fighter aircraft developed by China for air superiority and long-range precision strike missions. It entered service with the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF, and is one of the country's most advanced military platforms. Main features: stealth technology, aerodynamic shape and internal weapon bays, reducing radar detection, AESA radar and modern sensors, allows simultaneous detection and tracking of multiple targets, long-range and short-range air-to-air missiles, maximum speed of approximately Mach 2, long range, for example, 2,000 kilometers. Modern Chinese engines, WS-10C/WS-15 in new versions. It is designed to engage targets at long distances before being detected, providing a strategic advantage in modern air combat. The Shenyang J-16 is a Chinese multi-role fighter aircraft derived from the Su-30 family, designed for air superiority and precision ground attack. It is used by the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF, and is considered one of China's most capable 4++ generation aircraft. Main features: multi-role aircraft, capable of both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Long-range air-to-air missiles, for example, PL-15, and guided air-to-ground missiles. High external weapons load capacity. High flight range, suitable for long-range missions. There is also an electronic warfare version, J-16D, intended for radar jamming and SEAD missions. The J-16 combines high firepower with modern sensors, making it an important platform for complex air operations. The Shenyang J-35A is a fifth-generation Chinese stealth fighter aircraft developed for air superiority and multi-role strike missions. It is considered an evolution of the FC-31 prototype and is intended for both air forces and naval operations. Main features: stealth technology, fuselage designed to reduce radar signature, and internal compartments for weapons. Modern AESA radar and integrated sensors with data fusion, sensor fusion. Multi-role capabilities, air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Modern air-to-air missiles, such as PL-15 and PL-10, carried internally to maintain stealth. The J-35A is designed to provide China with a second modern stealth platform, complementary to the J-20, with an emphasis on flexibility and operation, including from aircraft carriers. The Shenyang J-11BG is a modernized version of the Chinese J-11 aircraft, intended primarily for air superiority missions. The BG represents a major upgrade in terms of avionics, radar, and armament. Main features: modernized 4+ generation air superiority aircraft. Improved AESA radar for simultaneous detection and tracking of multiple targets. Modern digital cockpit with multi-function displays and helmet-mounted aiming system. Compatibility with modern air-to-air missiles, including the PL-15 long-range and PL-10 short-range. Improved WS-10 engines, providing better performance and reliability. High capacity for external weapons delivery. The J-11BG extends the life of the J-11 platform, bringing it to a modern standard capable of operating alongside newer aircraft in China's fleet. The Xi'an H-6K is a Chinese long-range strategic bomber, a deeply modernized version of the older H-6, derived from the Soviet Tu-16. The K variant is optimized for long-range strikes with cruise missiles. Main features: long-range strategic bomber, designed to strike against land and naval targets. Modern turbofan engines, D-30K P2, more efficient than previous versions. Capable of carrying cruise missiles, for example, CJ-10, externally mounted. Optimized structure for greater payload and increased efficiency. The H-6K is an important component of China's strategic deterrence capability, allowing the launch of missiles at long distances without entering the enemy's defense zone.